So we're going to be multiplying by 10, by 100, by 1,000, and in my other video tutorial, I go over it in quite a lot of detail and show several methods. But for this tutorial video, I'm really just interested in keeping it really simple, really easy, and really quick. So it is pretty simple to do these kinds of questions. You don't have to really even do any calculating, to be honest. So all you do is essentially what you're doing is you take these for the multiples of 10, so 100, 1,000, 10, 10, for example, you just ignore the zeros for the time being and you just multiply these digits. So it'll be basically 271 times 1. Well, that's 271, right? And then you just add these zeros on the end, like that. And so the final answer is 27,100. Okay, that's how you do them. This one here, you don't even have to do all this. You can just go 1, 0, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and there you go, 1,032,000. Done. This one here, same way. Just go 3, 7, 0, 2, got 1 0. So put 1 0 on the end, 37,020. And for the last one, 205, multiplying by 10. So 1 0, 2,050. There you go. Very fast, very easy, very quick.